The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is gearing up to make waves in the smartphone market, and thanks to a fresh Geekbench listing and multiple leaks, we now have a clearer picture of what this powerful new device brings to the table. Launching officially on April 24th, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro has already been spotted in benchmark tests, confirming that it's powered by Qualcomm's cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with a generous 16 gigabytes of RAM to deliver blazing fast performance across the board. And yes, it runs Android 15 out of the box, layered with Xiaomi's sleek and responsive HyperOS, promising a modern and fluid software experience right from day one. But wait, that's just the beginning. Previous leaks have already unveiled even more impressive specs, like a 6.83-inch flat LTPS OLED screen with resolution of 1280 by 2800, delivering rich visuals and punchy contrast that's perfect for gamers, streamers, and multitaskers alike. And storage? You're looking at options up to a jaw-dropping 1 terabyte of UFS 4.0, ensuring lightning-fast read and write speeds with more than enough space for your media, games, and productivity needs. And when it comes to cameras, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro doesn't disappoint either, boasting a 50MP main camera with OIS for stable, crisp shots, alongside an 8MP ultra-wide sensor to capture every detail in breathtaking width. But perhaps the most jaw-dropping feature is the massive 7,550 mAh battery, easily one of the largest in any mainstream phone today, giving users insane endurance for gaming, media, and daily tasks without constantly hunting for a charger. And when you do need to top up, the 90W wired charging ensures you'll be back to 100% in no time, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. This beast measures 163.1 by 77.93 by 7.98 millimeters, balancing performance and portability with a sturdy yet sleek build that weighs in at 219 grams, making it surprisingly manageable for a device this powerful. And for those who like options, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro will launch in white, black, and green, giving users a bold and premium aesthetic to match the performance under the hood. Now, combine all of this: flagship tier internals, massive battery life, fast charging, sleek software, and top tier visuals, and you're looking at a true disruptor in the flagship killer category, one that's getting straight for the likes of more expensive flagships without cutting corners. And with Xiaomi's aggressive pricing history, we can expect this powerhouse to come at a surprisingly affordable price, making it an incredibly appealing choice for power users, gamers, and tech enthusiasts who want bleeding-edge specs without breaking the bank. So as we await the official reveal on April 24th, excitement is at an all-time high, and the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is already shaping up to be one of the biggest smartphone launches of the year. Whether it's a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, the 16 gigabytes RAM, the massive 7,550 mAh battery, or that glorious OLED display, everything about this phone screams performance and value. And if you're looking to upgrade in 2024, this might just be the one worth waiting for. We'll keep you updated with every new detail as it drops. So don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to TechVerse, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates in the world of mobile and consumer tech.